Dear students, my name is Sir Kumel, and in today's class I would like to teach you the topic of four variable Karnaugh map. First of all, I will tell you how you can find out the number of cells in a four variable Karnaugh map. As I told you in the previous class, four variables mean variable A, variable B, variable C and variable D. So you will put 4 into the power of 2 and you will find it equals to 16. 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 16. So there are 16 cells in a 4 variable Karnaugh map. Now as I have already told you, Karnaugh map is similar to a truth table. So there are 4 rows and there are 4 columns. You have already seen into the previous class in which I taught you 3 variable Karnaugh map. There were 2 columns and 4 rows. Why? Because there were 3 variables. Variable A and B were written below the diagonal line at the corner and variable C was written above the diagonal line. Now here is 4 variable Karnaugh map. There are 4 rows and there are 4 columns. Why? Because variable A, B is written below the diagonal line. Here is the diagonal line. Uh, this is the diagonal line. It is somewhat, and you can see variable A, B is written below the diagonal line and variable CD is written above the diagonal line. So there are 4 rows which are representing the values of binary values of variable A and B and 4 columns which are representing the binary values of variable C and D. Okay, then the first column has a binary value 0 0. Second column has binary value 0 1. Third column has binary value 1 1 and fourth column has binary value 1 0. You can see here third column has a value 1 1 and fourth column has a value 1 0. 1 1 comes first and then 1 0. Why? Because it is the decision, it is an idea of the inventor who has created this Karnaugh map. The inventor has written 1 1, has given the value 1 1 to the third column and the value of 1 0 to the fourth column. And rows, there are 4 rows. The first row has a value 0 0. It is like the same which we have discussed, which we have seen in 3 variable Karnaugh map. The first row has variable 0 0, second one has 0 1, third row has values 1 1 and the fourth row has value 1 0. So there are 16 cells. The 4 variable Karnaugh map consists of 16 cells. Now here in this figure, here in this figure variables A, B, C, D are written into the cells in the form of complemented and uncomplemented form. Remember students, I have already told you in digital domain, in digital electronics, if a variable has a value 0, then it is denoted by a bar over it, which is called the complemented form of that variable. And if the variable has a value 1, then there is no bar over it, so it is called uncomplemented form. Okay, so if I give you an example of this cell, this one, what is the value of this cell? The value of this cell is 0 0 0 0. Why? Because A, B, C and D, all variables have value 0 for this cell, and you can see A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar written into this cell. All variables have bar over them. All variables are written in complemented form. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar is written into this cell. Now, if I give you an example of, for example, say this one. So, what is the value of this cell? The value of this cell is 0111. Why? Because the variable A has a value 0, variable B, C and D have values 1. So 0111, and you can see what's written into the cell is A bar B C D. There is a bar over variable A. Why? Because variable A is written in its complemented form. Okay, so variable B C D have no bar over it. Why? Because they are written in their uncomplemented form. Remember, when a variable has a value 0, there is always a bar over it, which is called complemented form of that variable. And when the variable has a value 1, there is no bar over it, which is called uncomplemented of form of that variable. Now, if I give you the example of this one, what is the value for this cell? The value for this cell is 1010. 1010. Why? Because variable A is 1, B is 0, C is 1, D is 0. So 1010. A B bar C D bar. A B bar C D bar is written into this cell. Okay. So this is a 4 variable Karnaugh map which has total 16 cells. Thank you. The lecture is it. This is the end of the lecture. Wait for the next video. Thank you very much.